Money, money, money? Money's on my mind all the time. I like to steal it, count it, and steal it and again and again.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of fun.
Press your luck, series of whammies. Money is on my mind all the time, and I like to steal it, oh yeah. Count it, we love money. It's great to steal someone else's money. Series of whammies. Press your luck, series of whammies. An entertainment purpose channel made for teens and adults.
Part 1. You'll be furious.
This is going to be my best happy day ever. I will get a brand new car in 3 days. Wait, where could Whammy be? Has he been in traffic?
I'm gonna take your money so fast you'll be furious!
Oh, it's great that you're late. No, it's not. Why did you bring orange juice to the gym today? Those are not allowed at our own gym. I'm taking that away.
Part 2. Namaste! You lose!
Let me just stretch and fix the bathroom. Hello? Don't worry, just listen to me. First of all, we're gonna do this.
Here's a move I call the downward facing score. Namaste! You lose!
Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Yikes! Would a dragon even do that?
You've been whammy, baby.
Our dinner was great. Yes, you're right to be sure. Hey Stefano, what's your favorite color? Mine's red. Really? Well, I like red too, just like what you said. It's so hard to believe what you need to say about your own favorite color. We shouldn't be late for the concert, so let's go. Why did the whole audience disappear today? You bet that I'm gonna break it to the exit. Gotta get my special car now. I gotta get in. Gotta start the engine now. Ding, 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 ding. Huh. I feel like I'm gonna crash. This is great. Now I think I'm stuck.
Expelling Whammies.
Ha ha ha. I've gotta use my broomstick. I am now ready to take off. Whee! Ah. Whoa, what now? Ah. Oh, hello there. How are you? I'm good. Can I please get some cookies? No, you may not. You must have a burger at Burger King. Hopefully there will be more cookies for you at midnight. Oh, okay. Goodbye. Go away. Ugh. Well, I need to find a good spot to eat. I'm going for it. Here we go. I'm going for it. Here we go.
Expelliarmus! My wand's broken, but you're broke!
Well, since I'm all dirty, I need to take a bath. I also gotta cover the restaurant with sand.
Winter is coming. And it looks like your money is going.
I don't think there was a mad monster who wanted to lose my anger. Yeah, but I think you're staying off topic. How was your school today? It was great. I looked all the way around the playground, and one of my students laughed at me when I was swinging for 3 hours after the end of the school day. Oh, that's nice. Well, we're going to ride on our dragon to fly to our friend's house for a sleepover. I think our dragon is here. Whoa, slow down, my buddy. I think we're getting there. Ah, and we're going too fast. The house should not be next to the mountains.
Winter is coming! And it looks like your money is going!
Now I've lost my dragon, and this is my bedroom. Why did I see her falling down? I thought he was gonna hurt herself by falling from a high place. I hope I won't get used to things like turquoise mansion whammy.
Part 1. Look out! Look out!
I'm off. Let me make a special trip for myself. Ah, I think I did something that's dangerous.
Look out! Look out!
Can someone help me? I'm stuck. Oh, never mind. I can help it by myself. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get the bar to get my job done. I had enough of someone screaming in the bathroom. No one will understand why the bathroom door opened automatically. That is totally unacceptable.
Well, I'm sorry, Timmy, we won't accept kid stuff in here because you're in a bar.
Alright, hi there. What would you like since it's almost 3 a.m.?
I would like to have red wine, please.
That will be $6.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait 5 minutes.
What's going on in here? What are you doing on your phone? Give it to me. Yuck, this tastes like garbage. I'm throwing it away. That's it. I had enough of all of you. No!
Quick! We gotta leave now. This is not my best day ever.
Uh-oh. Something's going to happen. Uh-oh. Well, I gotta go. I had a very rough early morning.
Part 2. I'm up! I'm up! I'm up!
Thank you. Have a great day. Thanks. You too. What am I gonna do now? I'm gonna bump in. Oh no, there's a shark 21 meters away from me. I think this is where I have to go.
I'm up! I'm up! I'm up!
Why am I in this disgusting digestive system? If nobody can help me get out, then I will be very upset.
Yeehaw!
It looks like I found the mechanical ball over there. I've got to get on it. Yeehaw! 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 And that is how our destroyed park works.